Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Dina Yuni Antika from accounting class. I want to present material about environmental impact analysis or AMDAL. What is environmental impact analysis? Environmental impact analysis is a study of the significant impact of a planned business and or activities on the environment, which is necessary for the decision-making process regarding the implementation of a business and or activity. This definition is based on Republic of Indonesia Government Regulation number 22 of 2021 concerning implementation of environmental protection and management in Pasal 1. Carrying out, carrying out business and or activities. This definition based on Republic of Indonesia Government Regulation number 22 and 2021 concerning implementation environmental protection and management in Pasal 1. The importance of AMDAL. Every business plan or activity that has an impact of the environment is required to have an AMDAL, one of which is an AMDAL. The, the, the role of AMDAL from a technical aspect is avoid and minimize environmental impact so to release sustainable development. Next, environmental survey activities. Next, estimate the environmental impact that will occur. Next, evaluate impact on the environment such as pollution, disruption of ecosystem diversity, as well as to understand and study human nature, relationship, and the global environment. Benefit of AMDAL. The benefit of AMDAL for business or activity owners are that it provide a clear picture of the benefit, risk and target of the business or activity or project being managed, as well as providing a clear picture of the local environmental condition. But biogeophysical, socio-economic, and cultural of the community around the location of the business or activities managed project. AMDAL function. AMDAL has the function of providing input in decision making for the government and activities manager, providing guidance in effort to prevent, control, and monitor environmental impact, as well as providing information and data for regional development planning. Purpose of AMDAL. There are several purposes when AMDAL is used to carry out development in an area. The following is the purpose of making an AMDAL. Provide input regarding planning a business or development activity. The first aim of AMDAL is to provide advice so that development or business activity carried out do not pollute and damage the environment. This is because making an AMDAL allows us to know what needs to be done so that development does not pollute and damage the environment, so that development can run properly. With this input, all parties involved in a development project or business activity have a role in protection in the environment. Up, Apart from that, development will run well because it will not violate government laws and regulation regarding the environment and AMDAL. Next, providing information. Providing information to the public about environmental management. The second aim of having an AMDAL is for the public to become informed about environmental management when a development project takes place. People will feel safe because the surrounding environment is not damaged and not polluted. In fact, local community can also take part in ongoing development project. This goal is very very useful for the community and thus carrying out development project because they both benefit. The community can feel the benefit of development and they, capital owners and development project owners, can build with the peace of mind so that the finished development project can last a long time. Next, provide business or activity permits. The third aim of AMDAL is that the government can grant business or activity permits. A permit to build a business or carry out an activity must be owned by the implementers if a business or activity does not have a permit. There are things that can be detrimental to the environment and can disrupt the lives of the people around the business being built and the activity being carried out. AMDAL is one of the requirements for creating a business or activity. This is because AMDAL can provide information about the environment to the government so that the government can make a decision whether a business and activity to be built can be implemented or not. Become a reference for development planning in a region. The fourth aim of AMDAL is to serve as a reference in making development plans in an area. A development will be carried out well and optimally if a careful plan is made. One of the plans that needs to be considered when carrying out development is making an AMDAL. Becomes a reference for development planning in a region. The fourth aim of AMDAL is to serve as a reference in making development plans in an area. A development will be carried out well and optimally if a careful plan is made. One of the plans that needs to be considered when carrying out a development is making an AMDAL. AMDAL can be said to have an important role in the success of development because it will not pollute and damage the environment. This is important to do so that natural conditions can be well maintained. To be used as legal and scientific documentation. The fifth aim of AMDAL is as a form of legal and scientific documentation. For this purpose, the government and project owners will have legal evidence so that development implementation will not be hampered. Apart from that, AMDAL can also be used as scientific evidence that the environment around the development will not be damaged. This scientific evidence can be proven by producing research by co- the, this scientific evidence can be proven by conducting research before carrying out development project. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.